Lockly Secure Pro Smart Lock. Why you should buy this product? Number 1. Rapid AI Biometric Fingerprint Sensor. Number 2. Patent anti-thief digital keypad. Number 3. Built-in Wi-Fi remote access. Number 4. Voice assistant control integration. Number 5. Custom programmable auto lock feature. Number 6. Shares secure temporary e-keys. Number 7. Rekeyable backup physical cylinder. Number 8. Stores 99 unique fingerprints. Number 9. Premium weatherproof zinc construction. Number 10. Ergonomic integrated handle design. More details, click the video description links. Lockly Secure Pro 3D Biometric Smart Lock. Why you should buy this product? Number 1. Advanced 3D Biometric Fingerprint. Number 2. Patented anti-thief digital keypad. Number 3. Convenient mobile app control. Number 4. Smart voice assistant integration. Number 5. Weatherproof IPX4 durability rating. Number 6. Stores 99 unique fingerprints. Number 7. Shares temporary offline e-keys. Number 8. Real-time active notification alerts. Number 9. Emergency 9-volt battery port. Number 10. Ergonomic integrated handle design. More details, click the video description links. Lockly Vision Elite Video Smart Lock. Why you should buy this product? Number 1. Built-in HD night vision camera. Number 2. Two-way audio video doorbell. Number 3. Rapid biometric fingerprint sensor. Number 4. Patented anti-thief pin keypad. Number 5. Continuous solar charging panel. Number 6. Shares temporary offline codes. Number 7. Remote smartphone app monitoring. Number 8. Integrated motion sensor alerts. Number 9. No monthly service charge fee. Number 10. Secure automatic locking features. More details, click the video description links. Lockly Secure Plus RFID Card Smart Lock. Why you should buy this product? Number 1. Secure RFID card keyless entry. Number 2. Rapid 3D biometric fingerprints reader. Number 3. Patented anti-thief pin keypad. Number 4. Stores 99 unique fingerprints. Number 5. Customizable programmable auto lock feature. Number 6. Shares temporary offline access code. Number 7. Weatherproof IPX4 certified durability. Number 8. Premium corrosion resistant zinc material. Number 9. Easy DIY last edition installation. Number 10. Rekeyable backup physical cylinder. More details, click the video description links.